Yung mabigat, kuwanin mo yung mabigat ha. What color? Uy, wag mong hawakan, bawal. Okay. At ikikilo natin. Look. Tignan natin.
Goodness, that's only 5 pounds. 15 pounds. That's getting up there in size. And your grand fishing tournament total is?
Okay, kuya. Pili ka price
30
mo.
pounds.
May dinosaur. Look, dinosaur.
Wow. You won.
The other one, ayun oh.
Well, don't
Hi.
give up. Try and catch a bigger fish next time.
Ano gusto mo sa dalawa? Yung green o yan? Green? Oh, picture kita. Yeah.